I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making mango spinach smoothie. For this easy, healthy smoothie, we need a mango and spinach and milk of your choice. I'm just using regular milk, or you can use almond milk if you'd like. So I'm just going to peel the mango and cut it into slices. So first, just peel the skin. You can just use regular vegetable peeler. And now once you've peeled it, cut it into slices. And now let's add mango slices to the blender. And now just add a handful of spinach. So this one is already washed, so I don't need to wash the spinach. And I'm going to add half a cup of milk. And also a few ice cubes. And now let me close the blender. And blend the smoothie until combined. Is done, so it's well blended. So perfectly smooth. And let's pour it in a glass. Perfect. Look at this green smoothie. Mango and spinach is a great combination. It's so healthy and so fresh. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. It's so delicious. It's so full of mango flavor. And you can't even taste the spinach very much. It tastes mostly like mango. So this is a great way to add fresh spinach, and it still tastes so sweet and delicious. And mango is naturally so sweet, I didn't need to add any sugar. And it's still sweet and delicious. So it makes a perfect breakfast or anytime snack on the go. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!